Hi, my name's Skye. See if you can answer each question before I do. 5 times 4 equals 20. 7 twos. 14. 3 fives. 15. 9 threes. 27. 9 fives. 45. 4 fours. 16. 3 nines. 27. 3 threes. 9. 6 fives. 30. 8 twos. 16. 3 sixes. 18. 4 threes. 12. 5 nines. 45. 2 sevens. 14. 5 fives. 25. 6 threes. 18. 4 fives. 20. 5 threes. 15. 2 eights. 16. 3 fours. 12. 5 sixes. 30. Well done you! Now try Math Trainer at mathisfun.com.